Hi. Welcome to the ASMR shop. Are you an ASMR artist? Well, you want to be. Wonderful. Well, you've come to the right place. Is there something specific that you need? Not sure? Can I recommend a few items to you? Yeah, okay. Well, we sell green screens. We sell fuzzy mic covers. What's that? I'll show you. This is a fuzzy mic cover. Okay? You might want one of those for your mic. Yeah. What else do you need? You'll need some gloves. And maybe other gloves. You'll definitely need to be measuring your viewers. So you'll probably need a bunch of these measuring tapes. Yeah. Well, you'll be using your phone at first? Oh, no problem. I have these stamps you can use. They're adjustable. Yeah. You want to open. Oh. Yeah. There we go. It's not broken. I swear. It's not broken. It gets about this tall. Yep. Or you might want this kind. This one says it has an articulating metal ball head. Quick and easy spring. Oh, you liked it? Good. Quick and easy spring. Never had adjustment. Convenient camera. Blah. So there's that. But I do have other ones. Back here. There's this guy. It looks like a weird alien. And it's a kit. It comes with more things. Let's see. You're going to need green screens, so there's one. But as you can see, it doesn't quite. And it doesn't quite. So you'll want to put one here. Yeah. And you'll want to put one there. Yeah, to cover. You'll need full coverage. And don't use one of these in front of your green screen stick. Don't use one of these green cloths in front because it will disappear. Make sure your cloths are not green. You're going to need no, I don't know how this got in here, but oh, look at that. You're going to need a doll head. Magical doll head with effects, and it's going to want to have hair so that you can massage it and all that. Wow. See, ASMR is magic. Okay, well, going to want rechargeable batteries if you're in need of batteries, which you would be if you were. You're going to need what is this? Micro thingy. This is for a microphone. A what microphone? Oh, well, you're gonna need one, so let's see. You'll probably want a Tascam or a Blue Yeti. I have one in the back. A Tascam? Okay. That's fine. Yeah. Let's see, what else are you going to want? The rest is really prompts and what your audience asks you for. So that could be anything. Don't get weird though. Don't get weird though. I found these that you might want as well. So, this is headphones in case you want to hear what you're doing. It's not always necessary. It's not. You can just wing it. And then, I don't know, cables, spaghetti. Oh, here's another option. This is a Jim head, named after Jim. Yeah, Jim. He invented this. These are ears. What's it for? I'll show you. This is for the hook verse. Hook verse. Yeah. This is 3D audio. My voice right now is coming to you in mono. This does binaural. This does 3D. And the Blue Yeti, which is in the other room, does several different settings. And one of them is binaural. Others are not. So, can I just pack all of this up for you? So, what can I hook you up with? So for the Tascam, you'll need this and this. Okay. Well, what made you want to start ASMR? Start doing it? You've been listening to it? What made you want to start making it yourself? Okay, wonderful. Do you feel tingles? Sometimes. Do I? Sometimes. Chills, tingles, and just a feeling of relaxation, almost as if I'm getting a massage. And if the frequencies are low enough, like the low sounds, I'll feel it actually in the earbuds or headphones, so it actually feels like something is there. Yes. I'm very excited for you about your purchases. And I can't wait to see your videos. Yes, it's very healing. It's very soothing. It really is. What are you into? Role plays, triggers? Wonderful. Okay. I think everyone likes ocean sounds. Well, I mean, you can make ASMR out of pretty much anything. I mean, I have like this feather just over there, and you can do visual ASMR with it. Yeah, it's very gentle, very gentle. I mean, you can even use the boxes from your gear. You can use the plastic from your green screen. Well, I just realized that the Yeti wasn't in the back room. It's right over here. So this is the one. Yeah. So this is another mic you can use. I was telling you about the settings on it. It has a stereo, cardioid, omni, and bidirectional. So yes. So you've got your Yeti, you've got your Tascam, or you've got your Hook, or you've got your phone audio. Yeah, whatever works for you. Whatever is your pleasure. Good question. Good question. I don't know. I guess you can start with whichever one you think would be easier to use. So for example, this is a USB mic. You just plug it in. I do have the adapter for the phone. In case you were feeling stressed. The Tascam uses the card and the little micro SD card, and it has a cable. Needs batteries. It's plug and play as the Yeti in the same regard. If you get one of these stress balls, just don't let it get stuck in your hair. That's my number one ASMR tip. And the Hook, this one uses a phone app and Bluetooth. So this one is a headset. You can wear it, or you can stick it on the gym head, or on one of those foam heads, or a doll head. And that's a true 3D audio. I thought it broke. I'm way too strong for my own good. Well, I'll wrap these all up for you, and enjoy, and send me your link.